Austria was the first to be hit with a torrential downpour that caused localized flooding, and soon after, Belgium and Germany were also affected.
Doet ze na, broekjesweek. Grote moment.
The city of Hallain has been hit by a devastating flood, causing downpours that have turned the center of the city into a virtual river. According to journalists, many businesses and homes have been affected, with some even being submerged in the water. This is an alarming situation that demands immediate attention from local authorities and citizens alike to help those affected by this natural disaster. The damage is huge. The situation in Salzburg remains tense. Salzburg is in a state of crisis. The intense rainfall has caused extensive damage to the city, leaving behind a trail of destruction, and many areas are still deemed dangerous. Residents are facing an uphill battle as they try to rebuild their lives after the disaster. A heartfelt thank you to the disaster management and emergency services in Salzburg, and to the generous people who are helping out during this difficult time. Governor declared that no one will be left stranded. Meteorologists are cautioning that the downpour in Austria may continue for a while, leading to more inundation in residential areas. Consequently, dwelling inhabitants have been encouraged to remain indoors, not venture into underground parking lots, and keep away from dams. Subscribe for more updates.